What's up guys, this is Dennis from SEOBOTS, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily find subdomains of any website. Before I continue, please support the channel by liking the video, and if you would like to see more bot tutorials in the future, go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. If you need to find a list of subdomains of a given website, SEOBOTS offers a super quick and easy way to do that. We have a dedicated bot called the Subdomain Explorer, which does exactly that. You provide a link to the website and the bot returns a list of subdomains which it can find. To use the bot, sign up for SEOBOTS. I will put the link in the description. And after that, go ahead and click the Find a Bot search bar and type subdomain. There it is, Subdomain Explorer. Click the bot. Scroll down if you would like to read the documentation and click this link if you would like to see an example output data file. As you can see, I provided apple.com as the main domain and the bot returned a bunch of subdomains along with some additional metrics and information. Let's go ahead and try launching the bot. Click the Start Bot button, give your job a title, subdomain test, and finally provide a link to the website you'd like to research subdomains of. Let's see if booking.com has a lot of subdomains. I'll disable notifications and I'll click the Start This Bot button. As you can see, my job request has been created and is now already completed. Let's click the View Data button. And as you can see, the bot uncovered a bunch of subdomains for booking.com, along with some additional metrics and some additional data, which some of you may find useful. Now, the only limitation of the bot is that it can return a maximum of 1,000 subdomains. So in case you're looking at a really huge company such as Apple or Booking or Microsoft or something like that, or maybe a service provider, the number of subdomains may go well above and beyond the 1,000 mark, but the bot will only return the first 1,000 subdomains which it will find. So in this particular case, you can see that the bot returned 736 subdomains. But if we go back to the bot's description page and click the sample output data file link, which I showed you before when I was looking up apple.com, and we scroll down, you will see that the number of subdomains returned is 1,000 subdomains exactly. In this particular case, I'm sure there's more subdomains. I'm sure Apple has more subdomains than 1,000, but the bot hit the limit and stopped searching. You've reached the end of this video. This is practically it. Make sure to like the video if you've enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more bot and automation tutorial content. Leave a comment if you have a question, and I'll see you next time.